This is Jack McCaig with Liberty Aid. I wanted to give you the real reason that the In God We Trust is on the dollar bill, right? You see it there. Um, so, the In God We Trust, right? It also slash here, that means doing business as USA Inc. So, you can't use the word trust anywhere in public in any advertising on any kind of a name of a business unless it's a trust. Same with bank. Those two words are exclusive like that. Otherwise, people become confused that it's a bank or a trust. See, so there's special rules for that. So you know it's a trust. So, all right, that's great. There it is. In God We Trust. So that's a business name. So who's we, right? Who's that we? Well, if you spin that W and you spin that E, right, then it's 33, right? 33, the 33rd letter of the alphabet, capital G, when you go through the lower cases and the upper cases. See, everything has this 33 on it that this satanic system has logoed. A lot of it has this 33 on it, or we, me, right? So what does that mean? Well, that's the name of the devil. That's like you put Jesus Christ on the name of your church or Buddha on your um, temple, or you put, you know, uh, what Allah on your mosque. What that's the name. The name of your God is the name you would put on your place you worship your God. And if you put that name on everything, this name of 33, this symbol, right, the symbology, well, it's the name of the devil. So this is really the contract with the devil. Every soul is signed to, in every country, by the way, because as we know, right, all currency is tied to the dollar. And see, the dollar is just promissory notes for the in God we trust. You trust in the God we. 33 is Satan. You see, that's every soul. Like, you can, sign your soul to the devil. Well, every soul is signed to the devil. We just have the alternative here at Liberty 8. You can sign with Jesus Christ. No income taxes are due. And they lose their authority. The devil loses their authority. So, you can do a lot of things with this. No one's losing their home through foreclosure anymore. Think about that. So, and many other things besides just no income tax. All your assets are really protected. So, check out the Bulletproof Trust. I really recommend it to you.